Hi everyone, today I'll be running through the basics of Microsoft Word, especially with respect to the File and the Home menu. So over here we have a Word document, and these are all the modules that a student wants to choose for their final year. And to do some basic editing, first of all, let's begin with the File menu. Over here you can see some different options, and I'll just run through a few. So if you click this, a new document will appear like so. Going back to the previous document, you can click open, which if you click this, sorry it's lagging a bit, but you can open different forms of documents. And if you click this again, you can close the document, you can save the document, and you can save as the document, which I'm going to show you how to do. So let's say we just want to name this document Final Year Modules, and you can choose where you want to save this document, but I will just go with the desktop. And once you've selected all this information, click Save. And this will be saved in your desktop. Going back to the File menu, you can see different things such as reduce file size, page setup, print, and properties. If you click the page setup, you can choose different categories such as the paper size. Over here you can choose A4, A5, and whichever you prefer. You can also select the different orientations such as portrait and landscape, and we'll just click with portrait and then click OK. And finally, if you want to print your document, all you have to do is click print. And over here, they will just show you a quick preview, and you can also choose which pages you want to print, for example, all or the current page, or like let's say if you have more than one pages, you can select, let's say from page 1 to page 2 out of a document of 8 pages. But since we only have one page, we'll just click all pages or current pages. And usually you click print, but since I'm not printing, I'll just click cancel. And now I will move on to the home menu. Over here, this is the heading of the Word document, and just to make it a little bit more obvious that it is a heading, we can change the font type by highlighting it and then clicking the font and choosing whichever that you want. So let's say we want to go with this one, and you can see that changes will appear. And let's change the font size also. In the home menu page, you can also do different editings like bolding it or underlining it. You can also choose italic if you wish. Another way to change the font size is by clicking this icon. So this will increase it, and if you want to decrease it, you just click this. You can also do a strike through. In addition, let's say you want to change the alignment. So now it's in the left alignment, and let's say we want to put it to the middle alignment. So all we have to do is click this. You are also given the option of putting it on the right hand side. And these are all the different types of modules. So let's say each of this is its own individual module, and just to make it a little bit more obvious, we want to put them in a bullet point. So if you click the drop down menu here, you can see the different types of bullets. But let's just go with the simple one, which is this one. And you can see the bullet point will appear here. And you can do so for the rest of the modules by clicking this bullet point. And let's say you do not want to put bullet points anymore, but you want to put numbering instead. And these are all the different types of numbering, but let's say we'll just go with this one. And you can see different numberings are appeared here. In addition to all of this, we can also put all our information into a table. We do this by highlighting all the data and then clicking the border. And let's go with all borders. And as you can see, this is put all into a really neat table. And just to do some different editing, you can also change the color of your words by clicking this and then clicking the drop down menu and choosing whichever color that you want. And let's just go with blue. You also can highlight it by just highlighting the word and clicking this, and you can choose, let's say, green.